Did you know push-ups can be modified for every single fitness level? Today I'm going to take you through 3 different push-up variations. One for beginners, one for building muscle, and one for developing power. Most people don't even try push-ups. They don't think they can do them. They either think they're a waste of time building muscle, or they've just hit a bit of a plateau. So let's start with a push-up variation for people who just don't think they can do them. We're going to start with an elevated push-up. Just need some boxes, a bench. You can even do it on your stairs at home. Starting with hand position, a little bit wider than shoulder width. Elbow position, we want to avoid the elbows coming out like this. That's a lot of strain in my neck, and just bringing my shoulders down, elbows back slightly. For the hips, you want to tuck the pelvis, bring the bum down so you're nice and straight, and let the whole body drop towards the bottom. For the feet, walk far enough away so when you come into the push-up, your chest is coming to the box. Now, when this one gets a little bit too easy, you just need to progress to a lower height. Next, we're doing decline push-ups. So you either need a couple of steps or a couple of dumbbells. Really anything to raise the hands off the floor. You need something to elevate the feet. So this could be a box, a step, or a bench. For the decline push-up, you're focusing on a 3-second eccentric. You're gonna hold the stretch at the bottom for 2 seconds, about 1 second on the way up. Now we're moving into power. All we need for this one is some kind of ball. Up position, one hand on the ball, one hand on the floor. You are gonna still perform a slow eccentric to get that stretch. And from this position, you're gonna power up and over, absorbing the impact. Let's recap those 3 variations and their benefits. If you are a beginner, you have to start somewhere. So something like an elevated push-up is absolutely fine. Focus on keeping the reps slow, controlled, with good form and technique. Second, if you're focusing on muscle development, slow tempo on a decline push-up can be very challenging. If you're able to get more than 15 reps, let's maybe start adding a little bit of weight on the back, either through plates or a weighted vest. And lastly, if you're after raw power and stability, still focusing on that slow eccentric, big stretch at the bottom, that way you're gonna be powerful from the bottom of the movement right up to the top, meaning less likely to get injured when your arm suddenly jars back. If you like this video and you want more push-up variations, make sure you comment that below.